What's up guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? Welcome back to another video on Tameka.Hairgoals. My name is Tameka and I am going to be doing a quick video. Today I'm going to be trying a product by the name of Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. I decided to buy it. I have never used these types of masks in my hair before. I usually use my clay mask and that's just about it, but I really wanted to try this one because I've been hearing a lot of good things about it, and my hair could do with, you know, a little bit of treatment because I color my hair quite a lot and I feel like it's about time maybe that I do a treatment on my hair. So before I get into this video, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment down below because I really appreciate reading your comments. So all those who have subscribed to my channels, all 270 of you, I really appreciate it. It's not a big number, but you all matter. You all are the real MVPs. So thank you all for subscribing. So let's get straight into this video. Smells really good. It's made from coconut oil, grapeseed oil, linseed oil, safflower oil, vitamin E, Jamaican black castor oil, and wheat protein. To recolor this hair, it is looking so choppy with the color. And you know, ever since I did henna in my hair, I just could never get my hair to color the way that it used to. Use your fingers as well to distribute the product through your hair. Just make sure that you are gentle. So I definitely love how the product is feeling on my hair even before I sit under the cap. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll come back after 10 to 15 minutes to see what it looks like. So guys, before my battery dies, I just wanted to share some of the things that the product says that it's going to do for your hair, and it is saying that it will instantly improve the health of your hair and scalp. It is a damage reversal formula with the anti-breakage power of the Jamaican black castor oil, natural oils and vitamins, minimizing breakage for 50%, allowing for longer, stronger, moisturized and excellent scalp health. When used as a weekly treatment, aids in treating dandruff, stop shedding, safeguards the scalp and hair. So these are the benefits. So if you're experiencing any of these things, you know, you can give it a try. We want longer hair, but we also need to have stronger hair. So we'll see what it looks like in a few minutes. So guys, I'm about to show you all what my hair is looking like after using the mask. I can definitely say that my curls are looking really nice and healthy. Of course my hair shrunk up as it always does, but whatever. It's a nice product to try in your hair. If you're looking for something that is a hair mask, go ahead and try it and tell me what you guys think. I like that my hair feels really soft. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope that you guys have a really great day. So peace out.